Hello everyone. Today our topic is human resource management. So here is a definition. What is HRM? Human resource management is the planning, organizing, directing and controlling of the procurement, development, compensation, integration, maintenance and separation of human resources to the end that individual and organizational and social objectives are accomplished. So in simple words, human resource management, it's just a combination of different factors, different procedures, that is planning, organizing, directing, and it also includes the development, compensation, integration, and so many things. It is the main combination of the planning, organizing, human resources, organizational and social objectives are accomplished. So there are scope of HRM. What are the scopes of HRM? So here is the scope of HRM. First is procurement, second is training and development, third is job analysis and job description, and fourth one is welfare, and the last one is industrial relations. So what is procurement? Procurement is just the recruiting the possible employees and selecting the best one to occupy the various posts in organization. So it is the choose the best one from all over the employees, and which are helpful for the organization. Second one is training and development. What are training? Without training, no one can perfect. So training and development is the mandatory to prepare the employees for the actual management situation. So it is the most important uh, part of the HRM, in which employees are trained, and it also gives the knowledge of the development of the management. Now the third one is job analysis and job description. What is job analysis? The word analysis means to observe and description means to describe or explanation. What is job analysis? Job analysis and job description involves the study of job requirements of the enterprises and assignment of well defined functions to jobs so that qualified employees may be hired. So it includes the qualified employees which have experienced, so that will be recruited for the या फिर hired for the particular job. So the fourth one is welfare. What is welfare? Welfare includes health and safety program. Every bigger organization or the smaller organization have the health and the safety programs, sanitary facilities, recreational facilities, group insurance, employees associations, working conditions, housing, transport, etc. So the last one is industrial relations. What is industrial relations? Industrial relations include various aspects like collective bargaining, prospective management, dispute settlement, grievance redressals, etc. So these are the 5 scopes of HRM. First one is procurement, training and development, third is job analysis and job description, and the fourth one is welfare, and the last one is industrial relation. Hope so you all understand about the scope and the definition of HRM. Thank you.